अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, लेक्चर नंबर 5 क्लास 11th कंटिन्यू करो प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन तो सोन अजुक लेक्चर दैट इज हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज यानी करो आज कत हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंजस पे हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज गो क्या क्लियर सोन टॉपिक रोज ये शो कोतन वातो इत कन मे अम ब्रो तोन यव जे अगर खाली इक्वेशन पॉइंट रोजन ये मज याद प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशनस मज सारे प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन हेको तमो दो इक्वेशनों पे कड़ प्रेथ कह पैरामीटर युस कैलकुलेट कर प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन सह गो दो पे कैलकुलेट वन x equals u cos theta into t and y equals u sin theta into t minus 1/2 gt square means यह property classical mechanics classical means 11th में डिस्कस करान that अगर इस पोजीशन पता जैसे को प्रेथ कह पैरामीटर कैलकुलेट करित यथ पे प्रेथ कह पैरामीटर सिमिलरली अगर इस इतनस पोजीशन पता लज अस हेको कह ते पैरामीटर कैलकुलेट करित फिलहाल छ अस करन हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज गॉड वन बो हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज गो क्या तम पतन करो डिस्कस कित कन करो ऑब्टेन अस हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज हॉरिजॉन्टल means ox means x axis and range means distance clear so क्या गो horizontal range वार थून ध्यान horizontal range का मतलब गो क्या the distance covered by projectile the distance covered by projectile in horizontal direction or distance covered by projectile in horizontal direction in a given time ये given time that means time of flight war time of flight क्या मे distance जरूरत इतनस horizontal range means OB distance मे जरूरत clear time of flight in a given time ये कुछ time it is time of flight is defined as horizontal range अमिस क्या वनो यह सो गो horizontal range कमिस वनो horizontal range बे वन distance covered by projectile in horizontal direction only in horizontal direction in a given time you see given time इतना that time is called a time of flight क्या है time of flight क्या है अगर मैं a o पे b s तामी distance कैलकुलेट कर अमिस कोता time लग o पे b s ताम वातनस and तथ time छे वना ये गो time of flight clear चूंकि अस ox करुन कैलकुलेट कुछ चीज करो कैलकुलेट ox वार थून ध्यान मीन्स अस हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन करें कैलकुलेट हॉरिजॉन्टल कर चीज करें कैलकुलेट हॉरिजॉन्टल खतर में पाई x कोऑर्डिनेट में जरूरत वी हैव x is equal to u cos theta into t हम ब्रोट वोनमुत यम साथ लेक्चर नंबर 2 तुलित मज x equals u cos theta into t यस ये एक्सप्रेशन ये दिवान हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज मगर एट एनी टाइम कुंते टाइमस पे what is the distance of projectile along horizontal that is given by what is the position that is x equals u cos theta into t अगर बु वन वन सा 10 सेकंड बाद 15 सेकंड बाद वन सा प्रोजेक्टाइल एक्सिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस क्या तुम त्रो ये मज x equals u cos theta into t बट अगर बह वन हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज क्या हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज मीन्स हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंजस वनो टोटल डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंजस वन टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड अलोंग हॉरिजॉन्टल सारे डिस्टेंस कूचा करें ट्रैवल ठीक है नाउ व्हेन x equals r कैपिटल r रिप्रेजेंट गसान हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज वार थोन जान कम से रिप्रेजेंट गसान कैपिटल r से साथ x बराबर r वन सा टाइम कूता t will be equal to capital T that is time of flight and which is equal to time of flight is expression रात विशन that is twice u sin theta divided by g twice u sin theta divided by g. Clear? Time of flight. Kyazi ki yem satan x aasi barabar r's means total distance aasi me niyatnas. Total distances khatra yus me time use gasi, that is t, capital T, and it is called a time of flight. MC time is shown as time of flight. This is raat ko discuss. Now x is r, t is t. So put the value of t in this and x. Replace x by r. Put the value of t by this amount. So we will write r equals what is that? U cos theta into t twice u sin theta divided by g. Twice u sin theta divided by g. Or we can write r equals u, that is u square 2 times sin theta into cos theta divided by g. Now agar tu trigonometry as thoda bahut yaad, twice sin formula twice sin theta cos theta ye kat chha barabar sin 2 theta. So r will be u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Kyazki twice sin theta cos theta ye cha asan barabar sin 2 theta. Ya sin 2 theta chu barabar kat chu barabar sin 2 theta twice sin theta cos theta. Varthun down means horizontal range r will be equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. This is the expression for horizontal range. Kat khatra che expression horizontal range is khatra u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Mo kus point chat mazun da yaad thun ye gay general expression. Which is a kam pat kad me expression ye kad me simply x coordinate pat. Clear? Simply kad me x coordinate pat. Now what thun down point number 1 is to yat mazun yaad thun yet expression kun trayu nazar is me itan am bront kar use this. Clear? U cos theta, u sin theta, u cos theta. What is u cos theta? Initial velocity along x. U along x. What is u sin theta? Initial velocity along y, that is uy. 2 divided by g. 2 times ux uy divided by g. Clear? Even a second expression for horizontal range. Twice ux uy divided by g. Ye expression thaun yaad etnas. Next point number 2. That is OB, yani ki x kin kuta dur hek gesit, possibility kuta dur chi hek gesit. Common cheezan pat chi depend karan. U square, that is initial velocity pat chi depend karan, and sin 2 theta for a particular velocity, for a constant velocity. G is constant, u is constant, then this range, horizontal range, will depend on sin 2 theta. If sin 2 theta is maximum, then r will be maximum for a particular velocity. If for a particular velocity u, maximum horizontal range will be when sin theta या sin 2 theta equals 1. In certain sin 2 theta's value is 1. Sin 2 theta's value 1. That means sin 2 theta will be equal to sin 90. Guys, sin 90 is 1 value. Or we can write 2 theta equals 90. So theta equals 45. 45 when theta is 45, what does this theta 45 indicates? It indicates simply, ये क्या चीज़ indicate करा? Maximum horizontal range for a particular velocity. For a particular velocity, अगर बो वनो for example, initial velocity हसा छि u हसा छि 30 degree या 30 meter per second. यह हसा छि initial velocity. Yet velocity खतरी horizontal range or max, that is maximum horizontal range. अगर बो वन सा कूता दूर गसी ऑब्जेक्ट सारे को ज्यादा दूर कम सातन गसी यम सातन आस एंगल आस 45 यम सातन एंगल आस 45 तम सातन अगर मैं एंगल 45 को ज्यादा दिन 60 दिन क्या तम सातन गसी दूर तम को ना 45 पर गसी मैक्सिमम इसलिए इथे कने को चेंज कर इफ u is 20 as खतरी नेरत अलग वैल्यू r max but so as maximum means 45 पर अगर तुम 45 पर कैलकुलेट करो क्लियर u दियो 20 थीटा थयो 45 तम सातन मिलते मैक्सिमम रेंज तम सातन मिले मैक्सिमम अगर पत तुम अत मजन थीटा इंक्रीज करो मैक्सिमम रेंज नीर तम सात इस ऑब्जेक्ट b नजदीक ओस नजदीक क्लियर नाउ व्हेन थीटा इज 45 sin 2 theta is 1 so r maximum will be u square divided by g. This expression is that r maximum kuta chasan u square divided by g. Because this is diff condition. Ikas पर depend करना simply अगर इस angle 45 छु पता अगर इस u करो change सुनिए इस different velocity पर maximum range. Clear? This is maximum range. I'm पता नहीं यह मज़न यह पढ़न करो इस question आग maximum range इस पर या यह पढ़न general यह horizontal range इस पर करो इस question ताकि गैसी clear. A projectile is projected with an initial velocity of 6 I cap. Velocity is this. Initial velocity u is 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. This is the initial velocity. Now, and take g equals 10. G is question already 10 meter per second square. Then horizontal range is, what is the horizontal range? Yat muzan chhe horizontal range calculate karo. As we show horizontal range is expression im satan as we show expression yas as nishan chhe that is r which will be equal to shabash. Kad barabar is horizontal range twice sin theta cos theta u square divided by g or u square sin 2 theta divided by g. The expression yat muzan yas ga use swach thaun yaad twice u square sin theta cos theta divided by g. This is horizontal range, but yetin chi question actually u 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. Now one choice yetin is u chu you magnitude of this u, it represents magnitude. Yam satan it can ask a question this. Now you have to find out the magnitude of u. It is a vector u, so magnitude of u will be under root 6 square plus 8 square. This will be 6 square plus 8 square. It is 36 plus 64. Yetin chi karun solve. I need the value kya. Clear? 36 plus 64 is 100 and it is 10. So u is 10 meter per second. This is the magnitude of velocity. Nachi 6 ni nachi ni 8 balki atin 10 meter and vectors is 10 meter per second. This is the magnitude of velocity. Now you have to find out theta. Let's go wapas kothas lecture number 2 asmas. Lecture number 2 asmas. Tath madan kya gun mein yem sat theta is calculate karun means angle of projection chhe itnas calculate karun. Chunki angle of projection chhun dit itnas. Angle of projection calculate karne khatri kya karun tan theta equals velocity along y, initial velocity along y divided by initial velocity along x, which will be equal to, now question is velocity that u equals 6 I cap plus 8 j cap, means along x it is 6, along y it is j, so it is 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6. Now tan theta is 8 divided by 6. we can write tan theta equals 8 divided by 6, which is 4 divided by 3. अगर तो tan theta द्राव तो हेक्यू अगर तो trigonometry आस थोड़ा बहुत पढ़मुत तो हेक्यू अथन sin theta cos theta calculate करित. We will calculate sin theta cos theta by using trigonometry. Sin theta and cos theta will be equal to two sides to 4 and 3. Trim side near paane that it will be 5. Achana triplet. It's a triplet. Clear? Sin theta will be 4 by 5 and cos theta will be 3 by 5. Calculate करने तरस. युति sin theta cos theta am पतन त्राओ r s मस. Horizontal range r is twice u square sin theta cos theta divided by g. 2 what is u square? U square is 10. 10 का square. Sin theta 4 by 5 cos theta 3 by 5 divided by 10. 20 4 by 5 3 by 5. Solve this, you will find out it is 9.6. 9.6. That is meter. This is the horizontal range. You have a horizontal range. Clear? ये थोड़ा दिन थोड़ा बहुत जान इशू इजी के साथ कैलकुलेट करना अगर एंगल आस कैलकुलेट करो. क्लियर? दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल रेंज. नाउ ब्रोट पको यथ मो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट विल बी लास्ट पॉइंट फॉर दिस ओब्लिक प्रोजेक्टाइल युस अस निशन छु वनकनस दैट इज मैक्सिमम हाइट. अगो मैक्सिमम रेंज बागो मैक्सिमम हाइट. वच इज मैक्सिमम हाइट करन कैलकुलेट इतनस. मैक्सिमम हाइट. How to calculate maximum height? What is maximum height? First, God gets us in maximum height go ke. Otandamos range, horizontal range. When the watch as nishan ithanas vertical range. That is the maximum height achieved by the projectile. Sorry ko along y direction. Kuta hor heki khasit. Kuta hor heki khasit. Possibility kuta hor ch along y kuta hor khasit. I'm khotri kya karo is God shows maximum height means the maximum distance covered by projectile. The maximum distance covered by projectile in vertical direction. Vertical direction. Usa open B as now to take you. But you point here, maximum height na. Yet point A, that is the maximum. You have maximum. Maximum height is this. It is represented by capital H. Maximum height. Vertical direction is clear. The maximum distance covered by projectile in vertical direction is defined as maximum height. MC1 is maximum height. Clear? Now, chunki vertical direction so y equals u sin theta into t minus 1 by 2 gt square. See, when y equals h, what is t? Ratu question, Ratu lecture. Yem satanas as nish vatu. At times means opet as times time consume kor at time is time of ascent. Clear? And t will be capital T by 2. That is time of flight divided by 2. Time of flight divided by 2. Clear? Total time taken by the projectile is time of flight. Now from O to A, it is half of that time. It's time nasib. Nasib means T by 2. I'm patan yath mazan traun. Y equals y badla h. H equals u sin theta into what is T by 2? It is u sin theta divided by g. Twice u sin theta by g is time of flight, but u sin theta by g, that is half of time of flight. U sin theta by g minus 1 by 2 g. U square sin square theta divided by g square. ये करो ना solve u sin theta, u square sin theta. करो ना common. ये क्या बने? U square sin square theta कोड में common. 1 by g तीन common divided by g. Clear? 1 minus 1 by 2. This will be u square sine square theta divided by twice g. This is height. That is the maximum height. You can see maximum height of projectile. Which is, sir, what is u sine theta? U sine theta is initial velocity. U sine theta is initial velocity. What kind of initial velocity? Along y direction, OY. So h can be written as u square sine square theta. U square sine, that is u along y ka square divided by twice g. This is next expression. This is first expression for maximum height. This is second expression for maximum height. Clear? U square y. Now, this is point number 1. You can say it is point number 1. Point number 2. When will be this maximum height? See. Point 1. For definite velocity, for constant velocity, when will be this h? For constant velocity, when will be this h? Maximum. What does that mean? Maximum. अगर मैं angle change कर, अगर मैं angle vary कर, for u constant u था, पत कर मैं angle vary, means h gets vary. U च constant, u च fixed, fix u is 20. Let us fix u. Now, when theta is changed, yem sadan theta is change karun, then h will get changed. H gets change. When kem satan asit maximum value, kem sit change karun sit theta change karun sit. Yetin hekiu tu wishit. I'm khot kya gets asun as sin theta should be equal to 90. Sin theta should be equal to 1. Sorry, sin theta should be equal to 1. That means theta should be equal to 90. Theta kuta gets also 90. I'm certain kya gets projectiles. Nazar thiyu. Yem certain theta is 90. Agar bhi theta 90 karan means projectile shun one x kin pakan ke balki khali y kin pakan. Means khasi ho. I'm matlab bhi the point of projection. Point of projection will be same as point where projectile falls. Yeah, it's a point. Agar bethnas projectile khadan hor kun supe be earth pattern voice, earth point is o point is petty. Kya ki unkenas kuta chi theta 90. I'm certain kya gaisi projectile right maximum height. Maximum height. Clear? Go theta kuta gets asun I'm certain 90. Agar one theta, for example, 90,000, 80,000. Ye guys thoda bahut agar one for example 90 per asa khoti yuta hor. Velocity is constant. 90 per khoti yuta hor am pat vasi 8 pattern voice. Yem sab 80,000. Ye guys no work in area mein am patan vasi 80 per. Means yata is thoda bahut difference. Clear? Agar 70,000 ये कैसे में आई I'm पता नहीं area पर अगर वो वन 45 is पर near x maximum means OB as maximum तम साथ बाकी निशान ऐसे maximum नहीं कहीं clear I hope you guys can understand maximum height now ये तो मैं बाकी चीज़ करूँ ये सारी expression देखनी सारी expression ये सब expression ये तुम ज़नाई तम पता पानवनी में relation उचिन means काट relation उचिन T that is time of flight or horizontal range, h that is this maximum height. Clear? V that is general velocity, Vx, Vy. Clear? Magnitude vector V, magnitude of V, x, y. Yiman cheezan wuchin ya displacement that is r pi x square plus y square under root that is r. Ya vector r x I k plus y j k इसमें first second lectures में even सारनी उछन पावर relation means t in terms of r in terms of h in terms of r in terms of t reverse ये मैं उछन यम चीज वो नेक्स्ट लेक्चरस मज क्या कुन सात क्वेश्चन क्लियर फिलहाल ये लेक्चरस मज गो युत तो नेक्स्टस मज करो डिस्कस रिलेशन तो तम पतन वो बे ज टाइप्स ऑफ projectile, that is inclined projectile and horizontal projectile, and this will be all about oblique projectile. Clear? Thank you.